Hi, Steve here. In this video I want to show you how to modify a WordPress theme, and I'm going to modify it in two ways. I'm going to modify it in the old style, which is basically editing the theme files, and then I'm going to modify it in the recommended way, which is by creating a child theme for that theme. So here we are. This is my WordPress website. It's a test install. There's very little on it, and all I'm going to do on this theme is to change the font style and font color, or the font size and font color. So here we are. This is a 2012 theme, and you can see what it looks like in its default mode. And if I go and look at the admin panel, you can see I've got the 2012 activated. The default install in 3.5 WordPress 3.5 is 2012 and 2011 themes, and that's all I've got here. So the old way of doing it was you'd go to the theme editor and you'd make changes to the style sheet. Now it opens up in the style sheet, so let's go scroll all the way down to the bottom, and we're going to add some code in here to modify this. And what I'm going to do is change the color of the text, and this is going to be green, and I'm going to change the size of the text. I've just pasted it in at the bottom here. So let me update the file, and let's go and have a look at it. I need to refresh it, and you can see it's done its job. We've got green text and we've got a larger size font. So that was the old way of doing it, and what the problem with that was when you upgraded WordPress, it would overwrite the theme files and you would lose your modifications. So the recommended way now is to actually use a child theme. So I'm going to create a child theme of that 2012 theme. Right, to do that, all I'm going to do is create a directory called 2012 child, and you can call this directory what you want, and let me open it up. And in there I'm going to put a single file, and this is the only file you have to put in there, which is the style sheet file. So there's the style sheet file, and this is what it contains. Now you can find all this information in the notes about what it should contain. Now all I'm going to do with this child theme is modify the H2 tag. I'm going to change it to red. So you can see here the theme name is 2012 child, and it's going to modify the 2012 theme. And I'm importing the old 2012 style sheet into this, which means that the settings I had applied in the 2012 parent style sheet will apply to this style sheet as well. So now I've got the directory set up. All I'm going to do is FTP this over to my website. So let me FTP it over to the website. There's the 2012 child. Now it has to go into the themes directory, so I'm going to put it into the themes directory. And you can see there now it appears in the themes directory 2012 child, and all it is there with the style sheet. Now let me go back to my WordPress admin panel, and if I go back to themes, and you can see the 2012 child theme is there now. So all I'm going to do is activate that theme, and you can see the theme I've got active now is the 2012 child. And I go back to my user view of the things. Now I need to refresh this, and you can see it's modified the header 2 tag there. It's made it red. So that's a very simple way of actually editing a WordPress theme by either using the theme files, or the better way of using a child theme. Now there's a lot more things you can do with child themes, and we're going to cover that in later videos. Until next time.